Hi, I'm Ron Dawson with the Infilink HMI team at Kessler-Ellis Products. I'd like to show you our Slanted Text Wizard that we added to Infilink version 5.0.43. So here we have Infilink Design Mode up. To view the wizards, click View Explorer, and then we'll click the Slanted Text Wizard and drop it on the screen. Then right-click it, go into Properties. So here we'll change the text from the word text to the word time. Here we can put a tag on the screen. So we'll choose a system tag for formatted time right here. And if I click Apply and OK, save the project and run it. So now we're viewing the system time and the word time in front of it in a slanted text wizard. So let's look at some more of the settings. So we'll go back to Design Mode, right-click it, go to Properties. So we can change the rotation angle, so we'll make it 25 degrees. We can change the text color. Let's make it blue. We can change the font and the font size. Maybe we'll make it a little bit bigger. We can also change the outline colors here, the X and Y position here. And if I click up here in the top on the Interior tab, we can turn on a border, we can fill it. So now the text is sitting in a filled object, a filled rectangle, instead of just floating on the screen. If I click OK, we can save and run that. Going back to Design Mode, over here on the right, I've got a slanted text, actually a group of slanted text objects I put in before the presentation. So if you look on the bottom left of the screen, you can see that it's grouped. So I could right-click the group and break it to look at it, or what I'll do is I'll hold down Shift-Control and double-click the group. So now I'm drilling into the group. So let's take a look at the, I think the top object there, the Kessler-Ellis products. Go to Properties. So you can see here I have slanted text, obviously. The text is black, it's outlined in red. And then I've got multiple of these. So that's the Slanted Text Wizard, Infilink version 5.0.43. If you have any questions on that, please give me a call. My phone number and email are up on the screen. Thanks for watching. Bye.